So I was just playing some NBA 2K when I had a crazy idea to make a custom space PS4 controller. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. The first step is preparing the controller, which includes taking it apart, taping it up, and spray painting it.
I've been getting cold, freezing like I'm frozen. She a ghost, she ain't riding, oh no. Should've known, now I'm riding solo. Diamonds in her eyes, rubies on my neck.
Okay, the controller is all ready to be customized, so let's get into the sketching.
Too much blood to let. Karma hit you, put a bullet in your chest. Maybe some dreams, wake up to a check. I don't know this.
Alright, the sketch is all done and I'm so happy with the design, but I'm gonna take a break from the custom and continue it tomorrow.
When you going, let me breathe. Oh, we faking it, ain't really hard to see.
Alright, it's day 2 and it's like 30 minutes until my online school starts, so let's just get it started on the inking.
By myself, the only way I wanna see. Mirror got me on my bed with Louis V. Cherry blossom in my wood, I smell the steam. Wake 'em up cause they know this is not no dream.
Uh-oh, English class just started, so I'm gonna take a break and do some work. Psych! I do no work.
Fall in love in Kyoto. Hit the road, pop it, tagging Soho. Joto, flyer than a ho-oh. I think she loco, why she taking photos? Oh, keep that heat like Shoto. I've been getting cold.
The inking is all done and it's time to color with the insane Posca markers.
Should've known, now I'm riding solo. Late night reminiscing on my past and close my eyes and I react to shit. I could just go back, I find my crystal ball and grab the shit. Sweet like nostalgia cause the pain's where my passion. I'm gonna ship, we hide the blimp, the aliens and then we blast it. Wake up with a migraine, faded thoughts in my brain. Look up in the sky, wishing I can make it my way. Same old in the whip, hit the highway. Sleeping on the kid, she gon' switch when I'm shining. Tokyo, fall in love in Kyoto. Hit the road, pop it, tagging Soho.
The coloring is complete and just before I spray in the spacey background, I gotta eat my epic dinner. Today I'm gonna be eating some insane spaghetti cooked by the chef mom. Yummy spaghetti. Alright, it's the next day and you already know we better spray paint in the galaxy. Let's go.
Yeah. Granted, you took me for granted. Wanna rock on your finger, but you took me for granted. You don't never call up, shit don't ever add up. Shit got dark for me, but you ain't even try to light up. Now I swear I'm ballin' when I finally caught it. Put that on my mama, that I want me another. You know how I like it, that should be enticing. Wear my money on my sleeves, but my heart's in my pocket.
Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy and I hope you like the reveal.